Migos were present when this happened. It all took place outside 810 Billiards and Bowling, located off San Jacinto and Dallas. That's where Rowan Balogan is joining us live with the latest. Rowan.
Hey, good morning. Houston police confirmed that members of Migos, Quavos, and Offset were in attendance at this party, and investigators aren't giving additional details on the victims. But they do tell us that this happened outside of the 810 Billiards and Bowling alley here on the third floor of this complex. It was a private party. Now, Houston police say the shooting call came in around 2:30 this morning, and investigators believe 40 to 50 people were in attendance, and authorities are trying to find them to talk with them about what happened. Now, one man was killed on scene here. Authorities were told later 2 other people were taken to the hospital and undergoing surgery. The investigation is early on, so limited information is available at this point, but we asked if members of Migos were involved.
I can't confirm that. I can tell you that there are rappers at the party. I don't know if they're involved in the shooting, but like I said, it's still in the early process of the investigation.
And taking a look right now back at where investigators say this private party was hosted at 810 Billiards and Bowling Alley. Investigators have surveillance video. What they're trying to do is comb through that surveillance video and find the 40 to 50 roughly people that were in attendance of this party to try and figure out exactly what led up to this shooting. Reporting live in downtown, Rowan Balogan, KPRC 2 News.